Hello everyone, welcome. Solution is equation 1 is equation 2. From equation 1, y equal to 10 minus x. From equation 2, x value of y, substitute 10 minus x equal to 10. X times 10, 10x minus x times x squared equal to 10. Then 10x minus x squared minus 10 equal to 0. Then divided by minus 1, divided by minus 1, divided by minus 1, divided by minus 1 for all both sides of 10x over minus 1 minus 10x minus x squared over minus 1 plus x squared minus 10 divided minus 1 plus 10 equal to 0. X squared minus 10x plus 10 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 10, C equal to 10. From quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2 times 1 or 2 times a. Then x equal to minus b means minus 10 minus of minus 10 plus or minus under root minus b means minus 10 square minus 4 times a 1 times c 10 over 2 times a 1 x equal to minus times minus 10 plus 10 plus or minus under root minus 10 square 100 minus 4 times 1 4 times 10 40 over 2 times 1 2 x equal to 10 plus or minus 100 minus 40 16 over 2 60 divided to 30. 30 divided to 1.5, 50. 55, 5, 1. Then 2 square times 3 times 5. 3 times 5. X equal to 10 plus or minus under root 2 square times under 3 times 5 divided to x equal to 10 plus or minus is cancelled. Is 2 under root 1/5 over 2. X equal to 10 over 2 plus or minus 2 under root 10 1/5 over 2 equal 1 to 5. X equal to 5 plus or minus 2 by 2 under root 15. X1 equal to 5 plus under root 15. X2 equal to 5 minus under root y equal to 10 minus x. Y1 equal to 10 minus x1. Y1 equal to 10 minus x1. 5 minus 15. 5 plus 15. Y1 equal to 10 minus 5 minus under 25. Y1 equal to 10 minus 5, 5 minus under root 1/5. Y2 equal to 10 minus x2. Y2 equal to 10 minus x2 means x2 5 minus 15. 5 minus under root 15. Y2 equal to 10 minus 5 minus minus plus under root 1/5. Y2 equal to 10 minus 5, 5 plus under root 1/5. From equation x, 1, y, x1, y1 equal to x1 5 plus 15. 5 plus under root 15, y1 5 minus under root 5 minus under root 1/5 and x2 comma y2 give us x2 5 minus under root 15, 5 minus under root 1 5 comma y2 5 plus under root 1. Check it. X plus y equal to 10. X1 plus y1 equal to 10. Then x1 is and y1 is 5 plus under root 1 5 plus 5 minus under root 1 5 equal to 10. 5 plus under root 1 5 plus 5 minus under root 1 5 equal to 10. Radical 1 5 cancel radical 1 5. 5 plus 5 10 equal to 10. LHS equal to RHS.